Good morning to everyone. Today we want to present about problem-based task 1 based on topic security policy and procedures and security troubleshooting and solutions. We are 4 members in our group. It's me, Srividya, Sajitra, Nantini and Yogindran. Okay, let's go to question 1. Let's read the explanation first. Usernames and passwords are frequently requested by system before too long on a computer. Suddenly, malware treats computer system with distinct types of program to harm Malayla Corporation server. Unknown stealers attempt to steal sensitive data, confidentially files, in some cases password. Okay, let's see the 1.1 question. Suggest two appropriate level and their password protection function to solve malware attack. First one is BIOS. BIOS can prevent operating system from booting and the BIOS settings from being changed without the appropriate password. Okay, let's say the second one. Second one is login. Login prevents unauthorized access to the local computer. The third one is network. Prevents access to network resources by unauthorized personnel. Okay, let's go to next question 1.2. Malicious software able to monitor the current network as well as record plain text password. Define a malware. Okay, let's see the define of malware. Malware is a term used to describe malicious software including spyware, ransomware, virus and worm. Malware is a type of virus. Okay, let's see the next question 1.3. Discuss three reasons of password protection for unauthorized content access circumvention for ransomware, backdoor, and stealer. Unauthorized access is a potentially major problem for anyone who uses a computer or high-tech device such as smartphone and tablets. The consequences for victims of these break-ins can include the loss of valuable data such as presentation, email, and music. Victims may also have their bank account information, money, or even their identity stolen. Moreover, unauthorized users may use some else computer to break the law, which could put the victim in legal trouble. The pictures above as an example. Then next, I will pass to Nandini. She will continue with next question.
Thank you, Vidya. This is for the question two. In Nasify through the Cyberscope 1023 Information Technology, IT professional have started that encryption is allowing for someone malware to surpass cybersecurity measures. The measures to which these professionals are referring to include firewalls, secure web gateways, and anti-malware software. The describes the concept of encryption for secure web gateways. Encrypts as a general concept is the conversion or masking of information to prevent unauthorized parties from accessing it. An encryption key is an indicator or identifier used to turn chip attacks into your digital output. Key are kind of like password, but they are virtually impossible to decrypt without computational resources and encryption experience. Encryption has become a stable in the technology world as a fortifying tool for accessing privileged information. Web application firewalls or encrypt database software will protect both end user data and the sensitive business information a company must secure. This is the picture of the encryption. This is the question for the question two. Provide an explanation with the diagram.
Thank you, Nandini. Let's see the question. 2.2. According to the survey above, software firewalls are important as data protection approach. In this regard, desktop or laptop computer need to protect with Window Defender Firewall. Explain 4 step by step in order to allow add through Windows Defender Firewall status, examining the display connection of private or public network, and customizing settings for each network type. You are required to start from the control panel of Windows. Support your explanation with appropriate diagram. Let's see the answer. The first step, press the window key, type Windows Defender Firewall, then press enter. The second step is on the left side of the screen under Control Panel Home, select Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. The third step is in the Customize Settings window, click the circles next to Turn off Windows Defender Firewall for public network, private networks, or both. The final step is when you are finished, click the OK button. This is the view after click OK button. That's all from me. I pass the next point to Yogendran.
And now I will be explaining about question number 3. ChatGPT-1 Kuchot faces a problem regarding her computer, which suddenly completely unresponsive or frozen. Unfortunately, she will not be able to click anywhere on the screen, open or close applications, or access shutdown options. Give two possible solutions to overcome this troubleshooting basic problem. So our first solution is on a PC, go to Start, then Accessories, followed by System Tools, and then run the System Restore utility. Doing this will reset any registry issues without deleting any current files or personal settings, since it's possible an important document has been corrupted or deleted accidentally. And the second solution is press Windows plus Control plus Shift plus B on your keyboard. This is a hidden hotkey combination that restarts your PC's graphics drivers. If they are the source of the problem, this might unfreeze your system. If none of these methods work and your computer won't respond to anything, there's only one way to recover from this, which is a hard shutdown. Locate your computer's power button and then press and hold it down for 10 seconds. Your computer will forcibly shut down. Wait a few seconds, then boot it back by pressing the power button normally. That was for question 3.1. Now let's look at 3.2. Describe a simple step to determine your current version of latest Windows for Windows 8 and Windows 10. Let's look at Windows 10 first. Find operating system info in Windows 10. To find out which version of Windows your device is running, press the Windows logo, key plus R, type Windows in the open box, and then select OK. Select the Start button, and then we need to go to Settings, followed by System, and then finally About. Open About Settings. Under Device Specification, System Type, see if you are running a 32-bit or 64-bit version of Windows. Under Windows Specification, check which edition and version of Windows your device is running. And as for Windows 8, find operating system info in Windows 8.1 or Windows RT 8.1. To find out which version of Windows your device is running, press the Windows logo, key plus R, type Windows in the open box, and then select OK. If your device is running 8.1 or Windows RT 8.1, here's how to learn more. If you are using a touch device, swipe in from the right edge of the screen, tap Settings, and then tap Change PC Settings. If you are using a mouse, point to the lower right corner of the screen, move the mouse pointer up, click Settings, and then click Change PC Settings. And the fourth step is select PC and devices and go to PC info. Under Windows, you will see which edition and version of Windows your device is running. And the final step is under PC system type. You will see if you are running a 32-bit or 64-bit version of Windows. So that's it for question number 3. Thank you.